This right here is the payment we receive. We need many things in our daily life in different purposes, so we have to earn more money by following different types of strategy from any corner of the world. In this video I want to share how you will get paid $200 sharing SMR videos, make money online without any types of knowledge or experiences or investing any money. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, share more and more with your friends. On the other hand, if you are new, wanna make money online just like this and keep watching all types of videos from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Alright, this website is called spest.com. spest.com. This is very pretty and awesome website to earn extra cash from any corner of this world. In my total video I want to share 2 steps to earning $200 per day sharing SMR videos. Step number 1, unveiling top 3 SMR videos to share for the most money. And step number 2, revealing how to get paid worldwide. So first of all, if you come to this website and you are watching this one is first box and this one is second box. What should you do after coming here? First of all, just click on the sign up button and get providing all the informations and create an account on spest.com. and then you have to source the most views from YouTube channel. There are lots of videos on YouTube channel, I think. So I have searched on SMR Extreme Years. There are lots of videos over here. This one is 5.7 million views and 117,000. This one is 639 views, and this one is 43 million views over here, and this one has 3.4 million views over here. So what should you do after watching this one right now? First of all, you have to choose any 3 videos from your from this YouTube. I have chosen 3 videos from YouTube platform. Number 1 is SMR intense deep air cleaning, no talking. It has 1 million plus views, and you can choose this video right now and just click on this share button and copy this link over here and come to this first website, I mean spest.com. just paste over here and then submit and start earning from here. Boom, this is the best and easiest way to do this work easily from any corner of the world by using your computer, or on the other hand by using your Android phone. So the total statistics about this spest.com: make money online, sharing links and earn up to $1.8 for every 1,000 visitors, as Spest pays the highest rates amongst our competitors and other past bins. So this one is daily payment, and you don't have to wait for automatic payments and cash out anything anytime your account has at least $5 and get paid with PayPal money, real-time earning. And you will get paid also by doing by sharing the referral links on different types of social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. over here. So this is the best and easiest way to earn extra cash by referring your link on different types of social media over here. So now I'd like to share another information. This is the third about spest.com. The rate for doing your work from different types of countries like United States $1, United Kingdom $0.70, Saudi Arabia $0.70, and you're watching, or as you can see here, you can earn more and more from spest.com. So now I have shared number 1 strategy. You can just paste the links of the particular videos link on this platform here. So now I would like to share another one. This one is another video. I mean, people get earwax extractions for the first time. Just click on this share and copy this one from here and then paste on this box here and just click on this start earning from here. So now I would like to share the platforms which have lots of people or viewers available. So now I would like to share this one. This is called smrtingles.com/forums. After coming here, you have to create your account. Just click on this register button, and this is the best and easiest platform to get engaged lots of people over here. And just create an account, you will be able to get engaged with lots of people, and just comment on that particular posts over here, and you have to write the post, hey, this is #1 video right now, definitely you wanna watch this. And if any types of people from any country, just click on that link and watch that video, you will get paid more and more, I think. So this is the best and easiest way, I think. So you can follow this strategy after coming to this smrtingles.com. Now I would like to share another one. This one is called SMR Whisper Community. This one is another community to get engaged with lots of people, to provide your opinions or to provide your any types of posts on this particular platform over here. Top 10 most watched new videos week 13, and this is the common feature, I think, and you can choose any types of YouTube videos from here. So after coming here, just click on this suggest ideas and provide the name, your email address, subject, and write a message. Just send on this different types of social medias. Boom, this is the best and easiest way to share lots of messages for earning extra cash through spest.com over here. Now I would like to share another bonus tips and tricks. We know Facebook is the best social platform to share our opinions altogether. Lots of people are engaged on that platform over here. If you search about SMR, you will get lots of groups or pages about this smr.com. First of all, you have to create a good relation, I mean get engaged with that people who are want to get lots of comments about SMR. This one is SMR 23,000 SMR lots of groups over here, and these are the best group, I think. Just click on this here and get connected with them and make a good relationship. I would like to share the link to know more and more about your videos. If they click on that particular videos, they will be able to watch that videos over here, and then you will get paid more and more from this strategy. So this is my total video. I have shared more and more about the lots of videos on make money online. I cordially request to watch my previous videos. Just click on this playlist here and you will earn extra cash from any corner of the world without any types of hesitation or investing money or any types of experience or skills. Thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request to watch my next video.